Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share some thrilling news about the iPhone 15, particularly focusing on its battery life. So, let's dive right in. You might have heard about the iPhone 15's battery replacement service, which is now available. And guess what? After a battery replacement, the iPhone 15 can be restored to its original 100% battery life. That's right, folks. This is a game changer for all of us who have been struggling with our iPhone 15's battery life. Whether you're a heavy user, a gamer, or someone who simply keeps their device on throughout the day, the battery can start to feel a bit underwhelming over time. Now, you might be wondering how this is possible. Well, the iPhone 15's battery life is impacted by several factors, including usage patterns, battery age, and even environmental conditions like temperature. But with a battery replacement, you give your iPhone a fresh start. This service not only replaces the aging battery but also ensures that your device's performance, including speed and efficiency, is back to where it was on day one. So, if you've been experiencing battery issues with your iPhone 15, don't hesitate to get it checked out. A battery replacement could be just what you need to get your device back to its full potential. And speaking of full potential, let's delve deeper into the iPhone 15's impressive specifications. The iPhone 15's camera system is another standout feature. Equipped with a 12MP true-depth front camera, you can take stunning selfies and enjoy features like portrait mode and night mode for low-light scenarios. The dual camera system on the back includes a 12MP wide-angle camera and a 12MP ultra-wide camera, offering incredible versatility for photography enthusiasts. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or macro shots, the iPhone 15 is designed to impress. It's also worth mentioning that the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus are the last iPhones to feature 6GB of RAM, as the Pro models have been upgraded to 8GB. This means that these models will be an attractive choice for users who prioritize a lightweight and yet powerful device without breaking the bank. So, there you have it, folks. The iPhone 15's battery replacement service is now available, and it's a great way to restore your device to its original 100% battery life. If you've been struggling with your iPhone 15's battery life, don't wait any longer. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech updates and insights. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep exploring. And remember, whether you're an Apple diehard or just curious about the latest tech, there's always something new to discover around the corner. Catch you in the next video.